Now, after a local police station filed the first FIR in the Red Fort Delhi blast case, now the Delhi Police Special Cell has also registered a separate FIR. In this, they have invoked the charges of criminal conspiracy. Now, the Anti-Terror Unit has now taken over key parts of the investigation with its own case. This move comes as the exclusive CCTV footage from the underground Red Fort metro station has now captured the force of this explosion. That video is right now on your screen. In fact, this is the latest footage that we've accessed, in fact, of the Red Fort blast, where you can understand the impact of the explosion. It's a video that was captured in the underground Red Fort metro station. Now, with the special cell opening its own investigation, investigators are now focusing on the larger plot behind the attack that killed at least 13 people. The investigating agencies are now searching for small items such as detonators and electric wires at the blast site since 5 days. In fact, investigators say that the blast involved high-grade explosives. Now, the agencies here, they suspect that terrorist Dr. Umar, he had prepared a high-intensity bomb inside the car which was stationed in the parking lot with the intention of causing maximum damage. Now, according to sources, neither the timer nor any traces of the detonator have been found yet. Some samples found at the spot point towards the presence of ammonium nitrate. And if ammonium nitrate and the chemical oil in it are kept in a closed vehicle, the heat will automatically increase, resulting in immense pressure. So this, in fact, could have been an incident that took place out of panic, but investigation is still continuing to understand how exactly this bomb was, in fact, planted. So far, what we know is that the agencies suspect that terrorist Dr. Umar, he had prepared a high-intensity bomb and he planned to, in fact, cause maximum damage with this explosion. Investigators also say that the blast involved high-grade explosives, and since past 5 days, they have been searching for small items such as detonators and electric wires at the blast site. At this point, the investigation is still continuing, and neither the timer nor any traces of the detonator have been found from the site yet. But some samples found at the spot do point towards the presence of ammonium nitrate. Remember, if ammonium nitrate and the chemical oil in it are kept in a closed vehicle, the heat will automatically increase, which will result in immense pressure. But the latest footage on your screen from the Red Fort metro station showing you the impact of the blast. In fact, remember, this blast killed at least 13 people. 13 precious lives, in fact, were lost in this terrorist attack. And now the investigative agencies, they are probing this incident on a war footing. Prime Minister Modi has already declared that those behind this attack and their backers will not be spared.